Hello, it's Dr. Farmer, and welcome to this week's unit on psychopathology of the elderly. This week we will cover Spar and LaRue, the chapter covering normal aging. This is not a chapter in our current book. It's a PDF that can be found in the content section of Desire to Learn. This chapter is foundational. It will give you a context to understand mental health in the older adult population. So here are some things that this chapter will discuss. It will discuss who is old. It will define or categorize the older adult population based on ages to give you an idea of how to compare older adults to each other. We'll also talk about the heterogeneity of aging. Oftentimes, we think that older adults are very similar across the board, when in reality, they are a unique population with their own unique traits and characteristics. Also pay close attention to the section covering cognitive abilities in later life. It will talk about things such as process speed, working memory, neuropsychological explanations for cognitive aging and changing. And then finally, we have this week's discussion questions. This week's discussion questions ask you to kind of take a look at what you learned in the chapter and see what you see in your daily interactions with older adults. So the first question asks you which of the cognitive abilities in later life you see in your personal interactions with older adults. The second discussion question asks you to give an example of a personality and or emotional change that you have personally experienced with an older adult in your life. I'm looking forward to reading your responses to the discussion questions. Let's get started.